the IoT world, and into the era of MOT. The global automobile industry is currently facing a huge wave of change. Gwangju is at the center of a great transition from internal combustion engines to a future mobility ecosystem, such as ICT convergence-based autonomous driving, eco-friendly hydrogen electric vehicles, and drones. Gwangju, Korea's only city producing 2 branded automobiles and the city centered on artificial intelligence, is taking a powerful leap forward as a leading mobility city of the future. Gwangju is thoroughly preparing to lead future mobility. First, Gwangju has attracted a 3.3 square kilometers future car national industrial complex that can integrate eco-friendly car infrastructure and parts companies. Here, a specialized complex for future vehicle materials, parts, and equipment will be created. It is planned to build a power semiconductor cluster for vehicles, advancing artificial intelligence-based sensor technology, advancing mobility front and rear-related industries. Gwangju supports local companies in their transition to future cars and foster future car parts companies. Gwangju continues to promote autonomous vehicle verification and builds a test bed for high-speed autonomous vehicles based on the results. Gwangju is fostering a new future urban air transportation industry using drones, non-stop innovation toward the future. Future mobility world. Gwangju is leading the way.